Hello, I'm in a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down, and there should be a lever right here that you'll pull. That pop, if you could hear, was the safety releasing. And if this is just really loose, you might want to check behind the plastic. I don't know if I can show it in the video, but there's a cable there. If that cable's not attached to this, you might need to address that. But we'll go to the front. Pop this open. This is the lever here, so we'll push and lift. Push and lift. And then this arm. There it is. Sorry for the bad camera work there. This arm should hold it up for you. And then this is the lever. Make sure there's nothing bent or broken or debris sticking here that needs cleaned up. You can spray some WD-40 to loosen this if needed. But up top, here's where it's hooked onto. Then double check your hoods in proper alignment as well. That could cause issues if it's not lined up properly. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.